Hey guys, so this is what I was talking about. Go look at the screen and you can see we got our two trades. Then we stopped, right? It made the base down here. The problem of it is it didn't base out much. It was a pullback, so it didn't run sideways. Now start looking at your strategies. Notice where you're at. Based on where you're at, you are looking for a buy, or you're not even close to looking for a buy. You're just waiting for a great sell again. So again, some of you should be taking these trades if you know the process for practice, right? If you're not playing any money, you're paper trading a live account. Make sure you are paper trading a live account so that you can get the correct spread, right? It's a live account. Get the correct spread. So right now, we are looking for it to turn back down for a sell until it reaches a certain point. At that point, it's over, and we would start looking for a buy. While you're waiting for that pullback, there is an opportunity for a sell over here if you know the strategies, and you can see that there is a number 3A step one, but look and see if you get step two. And if you do get step two, where are you located on what I've taught you on the screen? If you're a mechanical trader, it doesn't matter. If you get steps 1, 2, you take 3 and 4. It's all about doing push-ups and bench press. That's what I was looking for. Until you just get stronger at it, right? You start off and maybe you can only do 5 or 10, but you do 5 or 10 times a day. Guess what will happen in 30 days? Just do it if you don't believe me. So you could be looking for a sell here. I'm not looking for a sell here until I get past all of this, because this is just a pullback. Plus, there's some news happening. I haven't went back and looked again, so I'm not really doing anything here. I'm just talking to you guys, and I wouldn't be looking for this again. I wouldn't be looking for it because I'm trying to make money. You guys, and Mike, right? Like, would Mike take it? Yes or no? I'm not going to take it. Mike would take it. John has to take it. If he gets the steps, he has to take it. Would Jen and Jesus take it? Would Michael Lethart take it? Would some of the other people? I say the same names over and over again because some people just don't say much, and we've gotten a lot of new members in here, and they're active, but I can see, but they're just not saying anything or asking any questions. So if you don't ask, I can't help you. I guess I can by telling you don't trade this. But it won honey hole, because you didn't get all your steps, right? If you did get all your steps, then that's great. But I don't see any of the steps that I would take for this for a buy. And I don't see any steps over here of this that I would have to blow it up. Well, I could put my glasses on. Nah, I don't see anything there that I would even mess with. It doesn't matter that it went down here, right? That doesn't matter. Remember, it doesn't matter if you win or you lose. That's the part people can't get. It's when Mark Douglas says, it doesn't matter if you win or you lose, right? You know you're going to win or lose. That's the process. It's binary. It's just how many times can you get a win compared to how many times you can get a loss in the system. You have to have a system. He says in any series of numbers, right? Well, our series of numbers is 10, groups of 10. 10 of 10, 10 of 10 of 10, 10 of 10, and you keep going. What's the rate? All right, so now it's getting close to where I will start paying attention. Will it bounce here? If it does, and it goes back up, you're going to be looking for a buy. Back up, remember, you'll get white candles and it'll be back up to the blue line. You got to get all your steps. At the exact same time, it'll be hitting here and going down. So it would be the same process as this is going down, pulled up to here. This went down, pulled up to here. Look at that. That's a solid base right there, top and bottom, right? So, and then it continued to do that. Now you've made a lower low, because your next low, unless it supersedes this, will be up in this range. So now wait for that group of lows to come, find out where it's going to be, then start. Here's your first, it's blinking on you. See, it's dojiing out, bull and bear. So this could be a sign. You got the same sign right here, but it didn't give you what you wanted. So